Gatlinburg from the Pigeon Forge Inn, and this is Hillbilly Golf. This is what a lot of people show on their videos, but we're going to a place in the Smoky Mountains that's a pretty short drive, and there's supposed to be a lot of wildlife out. So Roaring Park. So we're stuck in traffic in Gatlinburg, headed that way. But we just wanted you guys to see what it was like coming in from the opposite end. Like I said, coming in from Pigeon Forge. This is the older part of Gatlinburg, and not as commercialized as it is about a mile up.
all I